Oh boy, Rudolph's gonna be happy.
We're here in Portland, Oregon at the Fear PDX. The Fear PDX has opened in December for a special holiday haunted house where you have the chance to meet the one, the only Krampus. And hopefully we'll escape the haunt with all of our body parts intact. I heard there are some cannibal elves involved.
Most of it was cannibalism.
I'm not going to show you everything, but it should give you enough of a preview so you kind of know what the experience is like. For the Haunt Attraction Network, I'm Philip, and we're live at the Fear PDX in Portland, Oregon.
Come play with me.
They've taken the shot! You still have time! You can escape! Run!
Oh, you can't!
Run! They're hungry!
This is you. Let yourself all you can.
Well, and good people don't end up here.
Well, I'm just here to visit Krampus. You know, him and I go way back.
Oh yes. You'll see him, I promise, very, very shortly after you get through his house and all.
I'm looking forward to seeing his collection of kids.
Oh yes, there are many. So what did you do to end up in this hellish limbo of Krampus's lair?
Ate too many candy canes, came to Portland. I don't know.
That's the big one. Surely. On with you.
This way, please.
All right.
Please wait in the library for 1 minute and something will be along the way.
All right.
Than the last, and I gotta be honest, most of it was cannibalism.
Oh, why were you rejected? Also cannibalism?
Well, okay, Christmas Eve, imagine, I go down your chimney, right?
Yeah.
You leave cookies. I don't like cookies. I'm lactose intolerant.
Got it.
I'm gonna eat your kids.
Got it. Got it. What if
It's
you
just
don't?
natural.
What if you don't have any kids?
Well, then I'm gonna eat your dog, or your cat, and possibly you.
Perfect.
Are you ready to lose your head?
Yeah. Why
Come
not?
on in.
Might as well.
Hello! I'm Riddle, what's your name?
That's not a very elf-like name!
Oh, sorry.
You're going on the naughty list!
I'm already on it.
Boo! Don't you like clowns? Merry Christmas! Papa's gonna take you and put you in his sack!
Hello, hello, hello!
Hi.
Welcome, welcome, welcome! I sure hope we've been good this year. Santa Claus is waiting for you.
Okay.
got these two. Welcome to the reindeer barn. Tell me, who's your favorite reindeer?
Prancer.
Oh, Prancer, you're just in luck. He's real hungry tonight. Now come on, let's get you cooking.
All right.
Have fun getting all fit up in there. Oh, welcome to the reindeer.
Oh, it's snowing.
Look at this treasury we got right here. Oh boy, Rudolph's gonna be happy. I'm gonna help him out by cutting you off.